Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how Bank Nifty and Nifty can move on the budget day, or what we can expect on the budget day, and what are your what you can see, what are the supports, what are the resistance, what are options change, and how you can use the option chain analysis rules and make good profit with minimum risk. See, first of all, you have to understand that market will be very volatile. So I suggest, if you should keep whatever quantity you might be trading, you should reduce the I would suggest that whatever quantity you might be using in a normal days, you should be reducing the quantity to half. Okay, because the movement will be very volatile. See, as I will say about this, what do we call Bank Nifty support. See, the Bank Nifty is in this particular range for some time. Okay, so now on on the budget day, what we can expect if the Bank Nifty move up for few, suppose on 3 more days are left for budget. Okay, so what we should do, we should square off our position. If you are looking only for intraday, so what you should do, you should be squaring off your position before 1 or 2 days, and so that you can take trades freely. So now see, at this level the Bank Nifty was trading at this level. There are 3 more days to trading sessions to go for budget to come. So if the market moves above 31,300, then there are high chances or that it can go high, because Bank Nifty and Nifty has already made high, all-time high. So there are high chances that if they moves in the upward direction, they can touch their ATH or they can move higher. But if they touch below of 30,800, then there is chances on the 29th, then there is chances that on the last working of this month, then is chances if the market opens, then it can go down. So suppose we should wait for the first 15 minutes candle, and then before the trading session start, we should be always going on the price action. Wherever the market goes, you should follow that trend, but with a proper stop loss. Okay, so now I'll tell you the support and resistance point in Bank Nifty. See, 31,300 is a resistance point. This is, if it crosses tomorrow, then we should be treating at 31,500 another resistance point too. Okay, after that we should be treating 31,700 as a resistance point 3. Okay, and we should be treating 31,850 as resistance point 4th. Okay, so you should understand this. If 31,300 got crossed, this is our resistance 1, this is our resistance 2, 31,490, this is our resistance point 3, 31,630, and this is our resistance point 480, and after that 31,800, 860. These are 4 resistance points which you have to understand. If the market opens above this level, suppose if tomorrow it opens above this level, then we should look for the second resistance point. If it goes above, then we should be looking for the third resistance point and fourth resistance point. Okay, because whenever the budget will come, the movement will be very high. Okay, it can come down and high like this, or it can be sideways, but the movement will be very fast. Your SL can be hit. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to keep the quantity should be less and should trade in a lower premium, so that you should not be losing a good amount. You should not be losing your more of capital, while you'll be gaining more of the profit. So now you have to understand, we should not be doing any option selling on the budget day. Remember this, you should not be selling. These are all for this is my personal view. You like it, you can do it, but with proper stop loss, so that you can save your capital. That is the main motive of a trader should have. Okay, if you can do risk management, then you can do everything. So now I would suggest we should not be doing option selling, but we should look for opportunities for option buying on the budget day, because if the high volatility will be there, then we can if we make a good amount of if we go in the proper direction, then we could make a good money. See, at this level, and these 4-5 level, you should understand if the market moves above this level, because the market is in Bank Nifty is in this particular range for a longer period of time. So if it cross this level, then you can treat this as a resistance, good resistance, 31,680. If the market goes above this, then there is high chances you can treat this as a support. Okay, if it is, you can take this as a support, 31,880, if the market goes above this, and so that if the trend comes this, then there are high chances it can move back, or if it pulls down, if it crosses this level, then there can be a downtrend. Okay, so now I will talk about the support points. Okay, this is, if suppose the market goes above this level, then you will be treating this as a support. Okay, at this level, 31,050 is a support 1. Okay, in the same way, you can be treating this as 31,050 is the support level. Okay, now I will suggest you a good because 31,050 and 30,800 is again support level 2. Okay, if market goes below this, then we can expect it can touch to 30,450. After that, it can touch to 30,180. These are 4 support level I have already told you before the budget. Okay, so you should understand, if one support level is broken, suppose this is broken, then we should be looking for this support, and then we should be looking for this, and the last one is this. Okay, so this you have to understand. Then only what we can do is, we can because market can turn from this level. Okay, or if market goes below this level, then there is chances you can buy put and keep it, and wait for this level as a support and keep trailing your SL. That is how you can make a good amount of profit with the minimum risk. But you should be very good in suppose your premium, you are in profit of the premium. Suppose you bought it at 10, it reached to 20, then you should cut when it comes to 15. This is what you have to understand in this. Okay, so now we'll talk about Nifty. See, as we know that the Nifty has already touched its all-time high. Okay, so if this level is broken, there's 3 more days to go, as we know. Okay, then the budget will come on 1st Feb. Okay, so suppose at this level, if Bank Nifty crosses this, okay, 40 or 50 to 50, then there are chances that we can take this as a support, 14,320. Okay, the resistance point, and after that we can take 13,340. Okay, and then we can take 14,380. These are some support points which I have told you. Okay, now the market, if market moves above 14,430, then there are high chances that the market can go more high. Okay, and can touch to 14,500 around. Okay, so what we have to understand, that the Nifty is already have made its high 14,720, so 14,750. So we have to understand that if the Nifty goes above 14,500, there is this high chances that the Bank Nifty can reach to 14,800. This is what we have to understand in this, because if this is why I'm telling you the resistance support point, because once the resistance is broken, there is chances that it can go high. Or we'll be looking at the option chain analysis, because where we'll understand where the more buying and selling is happening. Okay, you should be opening option chain also along with it, so that you can understand where the market is moving. Okay, it is you can check it on NSE website. Okay, but what I suggest is you should be looking at the price action, because price action, till the data comes, the movement will go. So what you have to understand, you should, where the movement is going, you should follow that thing. Okay, suppose at this level, if the Nifty crosses above 14,750, then there is chances it can go high. So I'm telling you all the support resistance points. Okay, if the Nifty goes above 14,500, then there is chances it can go and touch 14,580 or around 600. If that level is crossed, then there is chances Nifty can cross all-time high 750. Okay, so let's, now this I have told you for the resistance point. Now I have to tell you the support points. See, if the market goes above 14,200, we should take below this will be treated as this is a big support. If the market goes below this, then you should treating this as a resistance point. This is support 1. Okay, understand this point. Okay, now what we have to understand more in this, because the market was continuously in uptrend for few days. Okay, if it goes below 14,050 is another support 2, and 14,100 support 3. If it goes below this level, there is chances that the Bank Nifty can touch 13,920. there is chances it can touch again support 3. Okay, this I'm not telling you, I'm just looking at the charts and I'm telling you what are the supports point. Okay, so this you have to understand. Okay, if it comes, the chart comes above nearby this level, so then you should understand that the market can come down 18,800. This is my other support. If before budget it comes down at this level, then its chances, if it comes below this level, then you can take up put buy call. Okay, and if it above this level, I have already told you the resistance point, so we'll play on the resistance support point. The W pattern is created, there is chances, if we should be looking at 14,000, if it close this level, then we can take a put buy call. Okay, but most of what we'll do, if you are doing a larger quantity, we should always hedge. Okay, and if we are taking a naked call, we should always be in the premium of around 10-20, or I suggest you should always hedge your position on when the budget day is coming, because the market will be very volatile, so that you can, I suggest you should always take market will be very volatile on budget day, so always hedge your position, buy, call and put. I have given on my Telegram. You can join my Telegram, where I provide details, but it is for education purpose. If you want to join, you can join. Link will be in the description. Hope you like the video. If you are new to my channel, please give a thumbs up.